Today we're gonna be installing this new LED headlight bulbs on the wife TIGUAN. Here's the part number for it. This is the new updated version of this light. They just came out, they just sent me this set just to try it out. So can't wait to go outside and put them on the car. Let me open this. There we go. Here's the bulbs. Here's the new special locking tabs. So here we have the old style headlights and the new one that they just sent me to try it out. I'm gonna open the boxes and show you the differences between the two. Small ones. Small ones. So yeah, let's go outside and swap the halogen bulbs for the new style, and then wait for nighttime and see the difference between the halogen bulb and then the LED bulb. Should be a lot brighter and a nicer bluish color to it. Okay, let's go get her car. Well, pulling in the garage. Not pulling in the garage, but take it down to the garage area. We're gonna be replacing these yellow halogen bulbs for the LED ones. And all we gotta do is access this cover right here. Okay, so I removed the bumper and the headlights just to show you guys how to replace the bulbs so we can see the back side of the headlights. So all we gotta do is remove this cover. And then here's the bulb. Those are the two where the bulb locks into. Got this one out already. Yeah, that's where the bulb locks into. Gonna take these two little tabs off and remove the bulb. Here's that little, it's an H7 bulb, but then they put this adapter, so that's why I gotta get the special bulbs made for this. So it comes with a adapter built into the bulb. So all we gotta do is twist this and get it out. Plug it. Put the new one in. Lock it in place. As you can see, lock right there, right there. Bulb doesn't come out. Normal to move a little bit, but as you can tell, it's in the locking tabs. And then you can move the bulb once we put it on to aim the LED. So what I'm gonna do is put the connector straight down, and if we look at the other bulb, there it is. So straight down, should be facing, you know, to the sides. That's what you wanna have the LEDs pointing to. So we're gonna put it on like this, put it all together, and then wait for nighttime, and then actually aim the lights if we have to move it, adjust it a little bit or whatever. Another thing I'm gonna show you guys is for the turn signal bulb. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it, since it's hard to, you know, get the camera down there. So all you gotta do is twist this to the left, then wiggle it out. Don't pull it too hard because it's a two-piece, and like this plastic comes off if you pull too hard. So just wiggle it out. And I already replaced the bulbs with LEDs. They're like super bright. And then all we gotta do is put it back in, and then twist it to the right until it locks, and that's it. You're good to go. So here's the low beam bulbs with the adapter. That's the high beam, it's the H7 but without the adapter. And this is for the turn signals. It's the LASFIT, and it's like super bright. I'll show you guys once it gets dark. It's almost getting dark, but not quite yet.